There are a lot of paid graphic designing tools that you can use to create outstanding graphics, but if you're just starting out, find these tools complicated or need an easier way around, you can just create similar output with many free graphic designing tools. Hi everyone, I'm Shushrut from EngageBound. I've helped companies create impactful advertising for a little more than half a decade. When I started learning designing on my own in 2009, there were not many free tools around. So I got my hands over Adobe Photoshop and learned the skill with tutorials on YouTube. But for many of you beginners or non-designer entrepreneurs, these softwares may look a little complicated. In this video, we will cover 5 design tools, including softwares, templates, stock images, communities, and much more. Before we proceed further, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive instant notification when we release another startup growth hack. Now let's dive into the video. On point number 1, there is Canva. It's a well-known name for anyone who has ever tried graphic design. Canva has turned the complicated tools of graphic designing softwares into simple and accessible for non-designers. It's easy to use drag and drop tool, and an awesome template library allows you to create designs quickly. You can upload your own fonts, vectors, stock images, and much more to create high quality designs, even if you have a very little knowledge on the design theory. The only drawback is that you can't access paid templates, which are obviously better than the free ones, and Canva is slowly monetizing over the huge user base. So you may soon lose the ability to download the designs for free. On point number 2, there is FreePic. FreePic is the most popular and the best platform to find graphic designing and illustration templates and vector graphics. The files they provide are completely editable, but you need to know Photoshop or Illustrator if you want to edit them. But at the same time, you can also directly insert them into any easy designer software such as Canva, or send them to your designer on EngageBound and create high quality designs. By using FreePic, you also should credit the contributors of the design. If you are looking at paid alternatives and more variations, you can also use Creative Market and Envato Elements to find good quality design templates. On point number 3, there is EngageBound. No matter what tools you use, it's important that you understand the design concepts and biopsychology to create designs that not only look well but also perform well. EngageBound gives you access to unlimited designs in a month created by expert designers on your instructions. So your design becomes higher in quality because it's created by experts and is completely flexible to as per your choice. EngageBound can design logos to social media designs to marketing assets to presentation decks and even websites, and all that with just a monthly flat price and with a 7-day money back guarantee in case you aren't happy, no questions asked. On point number 4, there is Unsplash. Unsplash is a free stock image website with a huge collection of high quality stock images. I have tried other free stock images websites such as Pixabay, but Unsplash appeals to me more than anything else. The library always gets updated and you can literally have access to thousands of new pictures every day. You can also search pictures by topics and follow contributors you like. It's also really good to seek visual references when you are creating something, or you can also contribute there as a photographer. On point number 5, there is Behance. Behance is a community created by Adobe for designers to share their portfolio with the world. You can join this community to share your own works or to gather inspiration when you are creating something else. I usually get references from Behance before working on any designs myself, or when I give references to art designers at EngageBound, which gives me a perspective of the imagination. You can also try Pinterest or Dribbble for similar purposes as an alternative. So those are the free tools you can use today to create interesting graphic designing for your company and use design as a growth tool. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Like the video because it will help our channel to appeal to the YouTube algorithms and we can reach more people with your help. Share the video and tell other people about it. I'll really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.